Welcome to Daily Fixed Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva Magic Write to create blog posts. So all you need to do, just go to canva.com and make sure to log in into an account because you'll not be able to use this without an account. Now we would like to go and just use the type of docs options. So just go and click on create and look for docs. And simply you can choose the document type of the blog example post that you want. So for me right here, I'm just going to choose like whatever it is, doesn't matter. I'm just going to choose this. So in here is an example. Once you are right here, inside your documents example, you can just go and click anywhere, whatever you want or wherever you want. Then type slash and type magic. Once you do so, you'll find this magic write as we said. So just go and click on it. And as you can see here, you'll be able to describe your writing text, 5-word or plus. You can even try an example if you don't know what you want to say. For example, the example is 5 Twitter posts announcing a product launch for a new alarm clock for now. You can click on trying another until you find your inspiration. Then simply just go and click on generate, depending on whatever you want. So let's just wait right here until they generate everything for us. And of course, once they finish generating, we'll be able to edit the generated text if needed. And you can add some headings, images, or graphics from Canva left panel. So if you like this, you can choose more like this or this bot, or if you like it as it is, you can click on insert. So once it is inserted, you can now just make all the changes that you want. As we said before, you can just go and select something and example, make it as hidden or something like that. So it's totally up to you to make all the changes that you want. So add your image, add your graphics, add your design, change the font if you want to, do whatever you want. Just some notes before I finish this video is Magic Write is available in free account, but with limited uses per day. It works both on desktop and even in mobile as an example if you want to. And Canva may prompt you to upgrade if you exceeded the free Magic Write limit. So keep that in mind. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.